All right, guys, welcome back again. So update on the Ford Expedition. Sorry, guys, I didn't do an ending video on it, but we got it all done. We found and we looked at the invoice. She had just got that done a month ago at another shop. With that being said, we checked it all, and supposedly new chains were put on, tensioners and all that. The chains were never changed. Tensioners, I'm about 60-70% sure they weren't changed either. But we got it all put together, got it all solved. She runs great, guys. Check out the rest of the video and we'll show you all the process. Peace.